Hello guys, today I have only 10 euro session. Christmas tickets, it's called Boas Festas. Hola, boom dia. Okay, mais dia de luta. Vamos chegar e ganhar. Tenho os números. 31, okay. 32, 31 and 32 guys. Christmas tickets, Boas Festas, happy holidays. Okay. Matching number in the main game. We're looking for 26, 29, 23, 12. Then they give me 40, 43, 15. All the 30s they give me. 27, 16. Oh Lord, all the 40s. Ay, Jesus. 44, 18, 25, 26, 14. Oh Lord, all the parties to give me. Again, 40, 13, 22. Ito tayo 22, but 23, 36, 28. Of course, no. It's not a winner here. We're looking for Christmas tree. Christmas tree. No, it's a guru or the hat. Snowman. No, it's not a snowman. What is this? Patim. Okay, so not a winner. Ticket number 31. Let's go to ticket number 32. Ay, Jesus. Here, we're looking for Christmas tree. No. This is snowflakes. When I can win in this. Okay, so no. The bonuses, there's no win. We're looking for 18, 25 in Portuguese numeros, 20, 24. A lot of 20s, guys. And they give me the 30, of course. The size. Oh, Lord. 38, 43. Oh, Lord, very far from reality. 32, 39, 28, 11, 37, 31, minus 20s, 41, 27, 23, and the last number, 45. Of course not. So there's no win, of course. There's no win in these two tickets. Very fast, I scratch the ticket very fast. Okay, so there's no win. Okay, so 10 euro session. Nothing back. 10 euro donation to Portugal Lottery. Okay, so there's no win in the session. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.